Ang asawa ng AFAM na nakaahon sa kahirapan. Sabi ng mga ng mga marites dyan. Anyway, yeah. Ang sweldo ng nani sa Denmark ay wala. Wala pong nani sa Denmark. Sa Denmark ay walang nani because of the equality, and siguro kung magkakaroon ka ng nani dito is napakamahal. So, ayun na nga. We have an au pair. Siguro some part of Europe and America and some part of Australia or something. Hindi pa masyadong broad yung knowledge ko about au pair. Pero ang au pair is a age of a teenager or something young people aged 18 to 30 without kids. But syempre, may mga ibang Filipinos or sa ibang nationality na hindi nila dinedeclare yung anak nila. And it's all up to you. But I advise for me na yun yung requirement, one of the requirements. So, hindi naman nila bine-verify kung may anak ka or wala. Pero, much better if you have planned to stay longer time in Europe or some other places, you need to have very honest on your papers. Kasi mahirap na ma-purge tayo. Actually, ang Philippines, pag narinig nila ng Philippines, not because they are not trusting us, but there's a lot of a case of forgery. So, wag nating isipin na iniisipan tayo, but it's really a matter of, yeah, basta yun na yun. So, yun guys, a short video about na walang nani sa Denmark, but may au pair. So, sa mga young age people dyan from 18 to 30, male or female, if you are like to have ang au pair is an exchange culture, hindi po siya domestic helper ha. So merong mga rules lang na household chores, but only a light works, okay? Kailangan you have to know what is your rights, what is written on the contract. And of course, we cannot see if it is your host family will be good to you or whatever, but always know your rights. And wag lang tayo magpapaabuso na because of we are desperate to come in Europe or in country that we want to go. Wag po tayong magpa-dalos-dalos or what they call this one. Just try to what they call this one, sa lahat ng gustong mag-au pair, you need to be vigilant na kailangan nyo kayo mismo talaga makita nyo sa sarili nyo na is legit. Kasi maraming mga scammers at yeah, kayo na lang. Pero sa au pair kasi wala akong masyadong idea, but you can find it all online. So, maraming salamat nga pala sa nagtanong na kung magkano yung sahod ng nani dito, at kaya ito yung short video ko. Sorry kasi hindi pa ako masyadong pangalan nito na nakakagawa ng videos because of I have a lot of commitments. Artista yarn. Hindi kasi sobrang busy from Mondays to Fridays. I'm working, I'm going to school, and yes. And yes, thank you so much and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe or mag-comment down below kayo to anything that you want to share with my followers, and any question, and I will answer it as much as I can. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.